Hello YouTube viewers. Today we have a Simply Balanced Fruit Strip Strawberry Bar. It's a whole bar that I cut into eighths. As you can see, there are 8 equal pieces. And I want to give a fourth of this to my daughter Hadley. So, we gotta find the equivalent fraction of 1/4 and how many eighths is 1/4. So, 1/4 equals blank over 8. How many eighths? 1/4 is blank out of 8. How many pieces out of 8? So we're trying to find the equivalent fraction, and I need to write down 1/4 and blank over 8. 4 goes into 8 how many times? 4 times what is 8? 2. So I'm going to write times 2 in the middle. I like to write a parenthesis here. So 4 times 2 is 8, and we do the same to the top. 1 times 2 is 2. So I have to give Hadley how many pieces? There's 8 pieces that I cut the fruit bar into. I said I was going to give her a fourth. How many eighths is a fourth? We found the equivalent fraction. 1/4 equals 2 eighths. So I need to give Hadley 2 of these pieces. She gets 2. Now let's say I want to give her 3/4 of this bar. Again, there's 8 pieces. I need to figure out what 3/4 is in eighths. 3/4 is how many eighths? Equals blank over 8. How many eighths? We're trying to solve for the numerator. The bottom tells us that there's 8 total pieces. We're trying to figure out how many out of 8 I'm going to give Hadley. So again, 3/4, and in our book yesterday we had blank boxes, and there's a times sign, and it equaled blank out of the denominator. So 3/4 equals how many eighths? So we can set up this way, or we can set up that way. We get the same answer. 3/4. Well, 4 goes into 8 how many times? 4 times 2 is 8. So I write 2 here. Whatever I write here, I need to do the same to the top. This does not change. I don't know what to write here. I know what to write here because 4 times 2 is 8. I don't have anything to solve for up here. So whatever I write here, I write here. 3 times 2 is 6, obviously. My answer is 6. So 3/4 is the same as 6/8. It's the equivalent fraction. So I'll go back to my bar. I originally cut it into eighths, 8 pieces, 8 equal pieces. And I told Hadley I'm going to give her 3/4. And we found out that equals 6/8. So I need to give her 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of the 8 pieces. She gets 6 out of 8. That's exactly what we solved for. Any questions? There you go.